How to recover deleted Telegram photos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You cannot simply recover it from Telegram. Simply, in your device, open Files Manager. You'll find this kind of screen pop up in Files Manager. In here, click on Storage, which is in bottom beside categories and details. In here you'll find list of Telegram. Simply click on restore and your photos will be recovered. I don't have any deleted Telegram photos, so I'm not able to find Telegram, but if you have one, you'll find Telegram option in here. And this is how to recover deleted Telegram photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.